Write down complete equation. 2N2O5 gives you 4NO2 plus O2. This is given to you. You write it down. Okay, I will tell you this. Twice of N2O5 gives 4NO2 plus O2. So how do we write down rate expression for this? This is rate of disappearance. Here rate of appearance. This is rate of appearance. So it will be negatively charged. It will be positively charged, and it will be also positive. For product positive. For reactant it will be negative. So half of dN2O5 by dt is equal to 1/4 dNO2 by dt and is equal to dO2 by dt. Okay, 1 mole, so dO2 by dt. Now with respect to K, we will see that it is half of K1, it will be 1/4 of K2, it will be K3, because from here I have written this. Okay, K1, K2, K3 they have given you, so I have written K1, K2 and K3. Okay, now since it is K3 for 1 mole, so it will be with respect to ozone, this oxygen, it will be remain as such. That is K3 is equal to 1/4 of K2. K3 is equal to half of K1, right? Now, if with respect to N2O5, we have to see with respect to N2O5. So it is written half. So if we multiply whole of the equation by 2, so we'll get K1. Okay, so here see. Here K1 is equal to K2, we multiply all by 2. So here K1 is equal to, here half K2 is equal to twice of K3. So sometimes they will give us only simple this one only. So you have to very clear, first you write it down, calculate, and then you have to answer it, that what options they have given, because it always comes in MCQ. So half of the portion they will give. So you means with respect to K3 they can give you anything, with respect to K1 they can give you anything. So you have to search what is given to you. Now with respect to NO2 we will search. So NO2, here NO2. Okay, so this is 1/4, so multiply all by 4. So at that moment we will see that this will become K2. So K2 is equal to twice of K1 and 4 of K3. Okay, so with respect to O2 I told you. Okay, with respect to K1 we have seen, and with respect to K2 we have seen, and accordingly you have to answer your question. I am Veena Dikshit, and I am your chemistry mentor. Please subscribe my channel if you like my video. Again I will repeat this. dN2O5 by dt is equal to K1N2O5, K2N2O5 for with respect to NO2, with respect to O2 it is this. Okay, so if you know this equation, then easily you can calculate out that it is will be half K1, it will be 1/4 K2, it will be K3. Okay, now we will relate it very easily. K3 with respect to K3 we have known, with respect to K1 we will know that multiply all by 2, with respect to NO2 we multiply all by 4, and we'll find the correct answer. Okay, thank you for